Hello my friends, it's time to change my BMW 2016 X5, the windshield wiper blades. Let's look at the first one. You need to find this plastic clip. You pull it up, use your fingernail. Try this. Okay. Then you hold this blades and move this blades down like that until to this point, and then you can take it out like that. Get it? The new one, I bought it from Amazon. So I have two blades. One is 24-inch, the other one is 20 inches. And the driver's side has the longer one. So the new one here is a fingernail here. Just pull it up. Okay, it's already open actually. Then you put it to the other side and fit this thing in and move it up all the way and clip it. That's it. You repeat the same thing for the other one. Oh man, this side is tougher to open. You use a screwdriver. Easy. Open it like this. Clip. Done.